So let me tell you a story why I finally went for ultralight. Ultralight. It all began in 2016 when I was picked by Korean broadcasting service, KBS, right, to be their cast in a documentary about hiking. It was called Journey on Foot. Yeah.
미국 서부 멕시코 국경에서 캐나다 국경까지 4,279km. 매년 4월에서 5월 수천 명이 도전하는 퍼시픽 크레스트 트레일. 이 길의 끝에는 무엇이 있을까?
They filmed me on several occasions while hiking Pacific Crest Trail. They just come and went, you know, and yeah, they were filming me. Look, my bird.
이곳에선 식량을 단단한 통에 담아야 한다. 이 길을 무사히 지나기 위해선 반드시 필요하다.
Yeah, it fits good.
Jer kada sam krenuo s meksičke granice, bio sam poput djeteta, ništa nisam znao, nikuda idem, ni šta me čeka na putu, ni u šta ću se pretvoriti na putu, kako će me put transformirati, poput djeteta koje ništa ne zna, jednostavno je tu i ide naprijed. I onda s vremenom čovjek se
But before that, we met in Los Angeles and they took me to REI to buy me some hiking gear. And as you know, REI had limited options with ultralight gear, which was made mostly by small companies, and they were selling their gear online only. So REI was a pretty tough place to find some ultralight hiking gear. And yeah, to be more precise, they took me to Santa Monica, where for the very first time I touched Pacific Ocean. I dipped my finger in the Pacific Ocean, like this. And that was my first glimpse of this huge ocean that I have never touched before. Yeah, and they took me to some amazing Korean restaurants. It's in Los Angeles and it's called Yellow Cow, and it was beautiful. Those were some crazy times with these Korean guys. Yeah, I think I need to make some videos about these crazy times with Koreans, filming crew and myself. Back then, ultralight was not a thing. Most of the hikers had Osprey backpacks, Gregory, or some other old-fashioned brand. So here and there someone would have an ULA, but that was rare, really rare. Most famous backpack in 2016 was Osprey Exos. When I tried it on, it was not comfortable. So the REI lady gave me Osprey Atmos AG65, and I immediately fell in love with the comfortability of this backpack. And from then on, I'm having Osprey backpack, Atmos, right? I thru hiked Pacific Crest Trail in 2016 with it. I thru hiked Croatia Long Distance Trail in 2018 with it. In 2019, I thru hiked Colorado Trail with it. In 2022, I thru hiked half of Continental Divide Trail with it. With every new hike, my base weight was becoming heavier, and that is because of the filming gear I was carrying. the peak of this gear carrying madness was on Continental Divide Trail. I was carrying crazy 25 kilos. So that's 55 pounds. I mean, if you want to film the best possible documentary, you have to make sacrifices, right? And the backpack was my sacrifice. With a body mass of 65 kilos, which is 143 pounds, this 25 kilo thing was a very big bite for me. Over a period of 3 months, I was completely exhausted. I even got hernia. When I snapped and returned home, I knew that this madness with heavy backpacks needs to stop. I mean, this was a turning point. Fuck you, Colorado! When I saw hernia and when I basically, felt complete misery most of the time on my true hike, I knew that I'm doing something wrong. This is just no good for me, no good for my health, and not good for my enjoyment of a true hike. I contacted some ultralight gear manufacturers, and as soon as I reached zpacks, Corey, zpacks marketing dude, offered me zpacks affiliate program, and basically I said yes, and they sent me ultralight backpack and a tent. But how did I find out about zpacks? Well, that's a story from 2016. When I was preparing for the Pacific Crest Trail, not so many hikers were vlogging at the time. One of few from a class of 2015 was this guy called Redbeard. Redbeard, yeah. He had a huge red beard. It was fun to watch his videos, and at some point zpacks approached him and he started to work for them. So that's when I first heard about them, about zpacks. When Jeff, Rusty and myself, hiking Pacific Crest Trail, right, reached Oregon, the Korean crew gave us a ride to PCT days in Cascade Locks, Washington. And one of the first characters that popped out of the crowd of people was Redbeard. He was on the zpacks stand selling stuff. And Jeff and I, we were like, "Hey, Redbeard! We know this guy." It was like we've met some famous hiker and a friend, because we were really into his videos. We felt we knew him. So from then on, I was following what zpacks was doing, and more hikers were owners of their gear, and they were praising it a lot. So this was a no-brainer for me, definitely. I'm looking forward to testing the gear and to finally go ultralight. To finally carry my base weight backpack with 2 fingers, just put it on back, and to have fun on the trail once again. Thank you. So don't forget to visit zpacks through my affiliate links, which are down there in the description. And if you make some purchase through my affiliate links, you will help this channel grow, and you will help me be better in making better content for you. So thank you for considering that. And yeah, that was this little story about why am I going ultralight. So to make big and long story short, it's because I'm sick of heavy backpacks. Yeah.